Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box on Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. This one's a super expensive box because it's actually $2,500 from the Sneak City or Sup Fed. We've opened up a bunch of boxes from her in the past, and I've got to tell you guys, they've all been bangers. And I'll get into opening that box real quick, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Surfshark. Surfshark is my go-to VPN service because it keeps you safe and secure when you're online. And I gotta let you guys know, I'm online all the time, so this is very important for me because I do the YouTube stuff, I gotta answer emails, I gotta run the business online. There's a lot of things that I have to do, and I'm always on the internet, and I want to make sure that I have a VPN service because I want to make sure that I'm safe. Hackers can't get to my computer, they can't touch my IP address. I really just want to make sure that I'm secure online because everything that I do is online. So that's why you guys definitely need a VPN service, and that's why I would recommend Surfshark. I've been using Surfshark for a couple months now, and I gotta tell you guys, it's been a perfect experience so far. You can use it on both your phone or your laptop, and I gotta say that it's a very easy experience because you literally turn on Surfshark, click on a server, and then you guys are good to go. Like, it's not very hard at all. It doesn't take rocket science, it's not complicated to use. It's literally just a couple clicks and then you guys are safe and secure online. So I highly recommend you guys check out Surfshark, linked in the description below. And when you guys use the code UNTIEDHAWAII, you will get 85% off and 3 extra free months. 85% off. That is ridiculous. It comes out to a very, very great price, and I highly recommend it, guys. And the thing with Surfshark too is they have a 30-day money-back guarantee policy, so you guys are able to try it out risk-free. It's super easy to use. I'm telling you guys will love it. So don't hesitate to try it out today, guys. Again, use code UNTIEDHAWAII at checkout for 85% off and 3 extra free months. Seriously, a great VPN, and I highly recommend it. Anyway, guys, I think it is time to get into this mystery box now. Again, this one is from Sneak City, $2,500. Every box that we've gotten from the Sneak City so far has been great. This one is a little bit different to open though. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to open this. I guess, oh, this is weird. Usually a box opens up like down the middle over here, but there's no entry there, so I gotta open it like vertically. It doesn't look like any of them don't have a box in here, so that's good. All of them have their OG shoebox, hopefully. This one, dude, we're starting it off crazy too. This one right here, it says that it's a size 10. So let us see what we got over here. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is fire. Oh, okay, actually, I was gonna say, this is not a size 10. This is actually a size 6. It's a lot smaller than a size 10. Can fit like almost in the palm of my hand. So yeah, definitely a smaller size, but I'm assuming this must be a rare size as well because size 6 is, I mean, they're not very common, and for an SB, this is like a perfect base size. So this is really nice to see. This is actually a pair of the Purple Pigeon Nike SB Dunk Lows, a really classic and iconic shoe, man. And I always thought that this one was slept on because the execution of this shoe is really nice. You guys can see it does have those pigeon colors on it, and this one is in really good condition. I guess she was trying to sell it for $900. If that's what the price of these are going for now, that is crazy. I'm assuming it goes for a little bit less. You guys know that like sneaker shops and stuff have to kind of up the price because they got overhead and stuff to pay for. So I'm thinking maybe it's like $800 or something for its true value, but we'll see. But no matter what, that's a good start for the box. If you guys are new here, feel free to go to untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes that I don't keep in these boxes are sold over there. Check it out. They should be up on the website over there, and if they are not on the website, that means they already sold, unfortunately. Okay, I see another one over here. It looks like we have maybe 4 or 5 shoes total, not too many today. This one is a size 6.5 though, and it is in a human race box. I think this is called the Corals. I actually really like this color like at the start when it first released, but when I saw it in hand the first time, I'm like, you can't realistically wear this, you know, like it's a hard shoe to wear. This is not something that you can go out in public with all the time. It's just too bright, too kind of crazy. And to top it off, the human race line is definitely not what it used to be in terms of resale value. These things don't go for too much now these days, so it is a harder shoe to move. I still think that the execution of this is pretty good. You guys see it like the stitched in like lettering over the top of each of these shoes. I think that's pretty dope. Bottoms, it does say that this one is new, it looks like, and it is going for $325. I think that's a little bit high as well. So I'm assuming the Counterx is a little bit different. I try to go with like the most competitive prices on like StockX and Goat and stuff, so that's where I get my prices from. Sneaker shops, like I mentioned, are a little bit different, so don't worry, it's probably not that same price. 2 more? I think 2 more. This is a deep box, it's hard to say. This one is a size 10.5 though, and it isn't an off-white box. Unfortunately, it's a little bit damaged on the back over here. You guys can see that's kind of falling off, and there's like a cut in the box too. So that's not that great, but we have a size 10.5 Nike Air Max 90, and I'm assuming this is from the 10 collection. Wait, oh my gosh. Is this dead stock? No, it can't be dead stock, is it? Whoa, dude, I think this is dead stock. No way, man. That's crazy. A dead stock. She sent a dead stock shoe. This is insane. So a dead stock Air Max 90 from the 10 collection, guys. This is a huge come up. This is a huge come up. I can't even stress that enough. Air Max 90 Off-White, the 10. I am very excited over this because it does say that it is brand new on the tag, and it was going for $18.50. Again, it's probably a little bit lower than $18.50, but still, that new is what I love to see over there. And you can definitely tell it is new. It's super clean over here on the top. Bottoms, obviously completely white, immaculate, nothing on the bottom going on either. It does come with all of the OG laces as well, those orange and those greens. I really like the laces actually from the 10 collection. That was one of my favorite things. Also comes with the black laces in here as well. So it does have OG all. And if you guys are wondering, it does have that zip tie too. So it does have everything in here. The only issue that I see with this is that it does have that tear on the box though. So that's where the problems come in with this. You can't really list it as like dead stock. That's why you have to list it as dead stock with flaw. So that really like only hurts the value by a couple bucks, but it does make it harder to sell on an app and stuff. So that is a little bit of an issue, but again, I don't really care because this thing is brand new and that is insane. So should be a really easy one to move, and it will be on the website on TideHawaii.com. That's wild. That's like literally all 3/4 of the box price already. So just that shoe by itself almost pays for the entire box. Like, that's huge. And we still have one more shoe in here, so I'm hoping this one is a good one as well. Last shoe in here, this is a Nike SB, and it's in that like teal box, so that's kind of cool. Size 14, so it's a heavier shoe. And it's funny because I think this is actually like the least expensive shoe in the box, so it's not the money shoe. I'm assuming that the one we just saw was a money shoe, so a little bit too early, but that's okay. In this one, we have a size 14 Nike Dunk High, and I believe these are called like sheep's clothing or something. I can't remember. I know it had something with the theme like sheeps and like wolves and stuff. I can't remember though. This is weird. The upper is like made out of like a different material than most SBs, which I think is kind of cool. It feels like a mock or like faux wool, so that's why I think it is called a sheep. And I believe that this one is pre-owned. It's in really good condition though. You guys can also check out the inside. It does look perfectly fine. I've seen no issues over there at all. Bottoms, yeah, no, okay, that's definitely pre-owned. You guys see this over here. And oh, okay, wait, it does say sheep dunk on here, so I was right. Sheep Dunk High, size 14, and this one is only going for like 180 bucks, so not that expensive on the resale counter. That is actually the last shoe in this box though. Only 4 shoes, so it was a very fast box, but I gotta say, like, this is the kind of box that you want to see in a mystery box. It has a mix of like dead stock heat, a mix of like beater heat, and then also a mix of like what's popular right now. So we got like a lot of Nike SBs in there, we got a couple Off-Whites in there, and we also got that weird human race, which isn't super hype, but I mean, it's an easy to move shoe because it is new. So she has like a good formula to actually help clients like make money on their boxes. So that's why I keep going back to her. She's a very good person. I would highly recommend that you guys follow her on Instagram at SupFed or at The Sneak City. She has 2 different Instagrams. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button before you guys leave. It does go a long way in helping the channel, and it shows a lot of love and support for what I do. So I appreciate everybody that hits that like button. Thank you guys so much. But anyways, until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot.